share the screen. Okay, so uh, we are going to have a look at our feedback from the peer, basically. Let's see. From Fidi, what is your like summary from all of this feedback and what's improved, and what do you feel about that? Do you have any follow-up question maybe for everyone that's giving you the feedback?
In general, for improvement, for the one that I work closely with, I provide solutions from Adi and Lukman actually, and then from Chris and Nadia, mostly it's like a balancing of workload. And what needs to be improved in general is regarding documentation and visibility on what's the current work. See, but actually, I have a question on this. Uh, I also feel like in my stand-up updates, usually there is no like in progress usually, but that's because from my side at least, that's because usually when, for example, Nadia give me a task after like on the gap days between the stand-up, and I usually complete it for the stand-up, and there's no other work that I have to do. So that's why it's just like what's completed directly, right? If I just reviewed my stand-up update for the month of October, and that's usually the case. Like what I do yesterday, there is something filled in, but there's no like what's the current work and what's the friction, because when I'm done, it's done directly usually, and the gap between the activity is usually just like 1 day, 2 days, something like that. That's why there's no what I'm doing currently. But for November, there's actually 2 projects that I am doing. It's in progress, something like that. So the question is maybe to like let's say Nadia, how can I improve the visibility on what I'm doing right now, especially on PDC? For the other chapters, should I update as well in the FinUp? No, right?
That's a question to Nadia, yeah.
Yes, question to Nadia. How can I improve the visibility of my work in PD? Because usually when you give tasks, it's usually done within the day or the next day before you start, right? And therefore there's no task in the pipeline.
Yeah, yeah, but actually, sometimes like when I tag you in a card on Trello, you will reply that like a week later.
Oh yeah, okay, okay. So it's more of the fast response in Trello, yeah,
Yeah, like I
yeah.
feel like
Okay, okay,
ghosting.
okay. That one is understood. That one I also feel like sometimes I just saw maybe like Nadia tag me on 29th, and then I open on 1st of February, and I usually directly do it, and it's directly completed. So that's why it seems like it doesn't have like no progress, but suddenly done.
Yep.
Yep, yep. Okay.
Okay. And there's also interesting feedback from Lukman as well. I think this is coming from uh, Lukman and Adri, that you are the product owner, right, from for their project, right?
Yep.
Mm.
Yes.
So they,
Need to clear insight about administration thing. Uh, yeah, Nadia, why you laughing? Maybe you understand what the reason is. Yeah, compared to Nadia, like my administrating thing is less area. Like, uh, what should be filled in? Yeah, I'll try to improve that and see Nadia's sample lah.
Okay. Okay, so I think this could work both way actually for
Yep.
Adri and Lukman. Also, if you are confused about something, whether like you need to create a presentation or like report something like that, you can just ask PD.
Yeah, usually you will ask like what documentation should I fill in? Yeah, to be honest, like for me, it's like as long as you complete the project, something like that. But yeah, it has to be improved. I have to be more like Nadia in administration.
Right. Okay. Okay, that's for Fidi, yeah.
Yes.
And then let's continue to Chris then. What about you, Chris? What's your summary?
Okay, so probably my summary.
Chris,
Test. Can you guys hear me?
di suaranya kecil banget.
Oh, I'm sorry. Uh, I think I need to restart my laptop first.
It's already audible sih
Ya,
from my side.
kedengeran sih, cuman ya kurang deket mungkin.
Oke, sekarang gimana, lol?
Yap.
Ya udah.
Oh my god, this is
Masuk,
so
masuk.
itu ya. Okay, probably the summary is actually kind of good, not kinda, really good. So, like technical proficiency has improved, calmer work style, and also yes, I actually at the first, the beginning of collaboration with Robert, I've actually really messed up at the time, but I do, what is it, improve a lot on planning, on development plan, and so on and so forth. So everything is more about getting used to my role, more decisive, better, and calmer work style. And also for the feedbacks on what needs to be improved is mostly on interpersonal skills, and also like yeah, more on interpersonal skills, leading meetings, making decision. It's most of them from Kak Bayu, and also yeah, and also more collaboration with other interns as well. So probably from the others, please write down what I need to be improved. Yeah, especially people who work close with me, Nadia, for example, and then siapa lagi ya? Uh, Robert as well, and probably S2 later. Yep, that's all actually.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay. No other follow-up question to the others?
So far, no, I think.
Okay then. Okay. So you can still follow up if you remember something by adding a comment there. Okay, let's go to Nadia then. Nadia, what's your take on this feedback?
Okay, thank you, Kak. My feedback actually interesting, yeah. Mostly, I think about like communication, like manage multiple projects, and also from Adri, it's actually very interesting. And yeah, I think that's it, see, from me regarding communication and also handling multiple projects. And what need to be improved, I tend to agree with Chris, balance between roles and delegation. And also, yep, also from Risky regarding give more constructive feedback toward his role. Or perhaps anyone want to say something about my performance in October? Feel free to say it.
I have a quick question to Nadia. This is just my curiosity. See, you've been doing product owner thing for a long time. Do you
Uh-huh.
still remember how to do UI UX? No, that's just a curiosity question.
Yeah, of
Okay,
course.
okay.
That's actually very good thing. We can ask that to Risky actually, right?
Yes,
So it actually for me it's showing leadership actually. To get something done, you not necessarily need to do it yourself, but you can actually grow someone else. So we will see it from Risky, right? If Risky can deliver a good result, it means Nadia is very good.
yes,
Twice
good
basically.
mentor.
Can make any other people. Okay. Yeah, I think and so far the feedback are positive from Rizky. So yeah, um, very good, very positive feedback overall. Yeah. Okay, let's
Thank you, thank
continue
you.
to me. From me, what I read is basically not so much feedback. Yeah, it's involvement, visibility, and also easier to reach out or easier for meeting. So that's good. I'm glad that you guys feel that way. I'm not sure about Robert, Estu, Adri, and Lukman though. I'm not sure what. Please, guys, if you just can just upvote any of the feedback, or you can write down your feedback. Maybe about visibility as well. Maybe you didn't feel it because I'm not available for you enough. So please please tell me that if that's the case. And what needs to be improved? Okay, more direct feedback to Rizky. So, okay, I will do that more. Basically, yeah. Sometimes I feel like realize it too late, especially when in terms of like guiding people, right? I usually just think that everyone will do their best, right? But sometimes I forget that probably intern still don't know what's best yet. So that part I'm still kind of lost. So if you need something, if you think I should do something for you, just please ask. I think I would very appreciate that you remind me about that. And yeah, I will do that with all of the interns basically. And about lunchtime, I haven't have lunch yet. So
Agree.
yes, that's the only thing missing.
Agree to that, Kak.
Right. Okay. I'll try to improve on that. And yeah, that's from me. Is there anyone want to speak? Actually, I'm curious about Robert, Estu, Adri, or Lukman. Do you guys have any feedback to me?
Visibility-nya kurang sih.
Feasibility.
Iya, jadi kurang tahu mau bilang apa.
Karena jarang kerja bareng gitu mungkin.
Iya,
Okay. I guess we can do like a more pairing ya. Jadi kita bisa
ya
decide
maybe.
apa yang bisa dikerjain bareng gitu ya. Oke, please write that down ya, Robert, Adri, Lukman juga kalau misalnya ada yang perlu kita improve, please write that down there. Let's go to Rizky. What is your summary from this feedback?
All right, thank you, Kak. So, based on the what's improved column, I think that I have been, yeah, in terms of motivation, that's been high, and I've always been able to, according to Kak Nadia and Kak Chris, is yeah, problem-solving skills and understanding more problems. So yeah, I think I agree that I'm able to keep up with the workflow and maintain things. But in terms of improvement, I do agree that I always tend to get stuck in the weed of things, I guess you could say, in like the non-important documentation stuff, or like for example, for the dummy on process, I just take notes. But yeah, I need to translate that more into action, and have results coming out of it. Otherwise, it'd be pointless. So after realizing that, hopefully in the future I can be more result oriented rather than being stuck in the weed of things. Yeah, from Lukman, he likes the way I speak, so I don't know how I speak, but I'll keep it up, I guess. And yeah, I think that's it. Unfortunately, I don't have as much visibility with the other PD members as I'd like to, so hopefully that can be sorted in the future. And that's pretty much for me.
Okay, thank you, Rizky. And let's continue to Robert. What's your summary
And
from all the feedback?
to summarize what I've improved, people says that it basically says that I work really quickly and able to deliver the task at hand. So thank you for that. And the improvement that I need to have is there's two. The first one is communication, just on a day-to-day basis, like kalau ngobrol gitu, or in stand-up. And then also my time management needs to be improved. Soalnya biasanya kalau misalnya aku dikasih task, itu for me coding is quite fun. Jadi kalau misalnya ada maunya 1 jam kerja, 1 jam lagi kerjain kuliah. Biasanya itu setelah 1 jam coding ada kayak sedikit lagi aja. Jadi kayak nggak bisa nge-stop gitu. So kalau misalnya karena dia mau kasih tes, itu pasti aku bakal kerjainnya dengan cepat kalau misalnya udah dapet. So if So if you don't want me to do that, don't give me any test untuk 3-4 hari. Soalnya kalau udah dapet langsung kayak oh ini perlu begini, itu aja. That's for me.
Oke, jadi kamu ini ya kecanduan ya,
Iya,
right. An addict. Okay.
edit.
Okay then. Okay, that's good. I guess you have some takeaway from that, Robert. Uh, you can be more relaxed ya. Jadi nggak semua meeting itu harus like strict ya itu. Let's continue to S2. S2 nggak ada di sini ya. Okay, but let's see. In this case, we can read it ya. Jadi ada feedback, bold and taking action, and then friendly and chill, and then also there's a lot of improvement from the first day to now. There's a lot of improvement. I saw that as well. I see you have a lot of potential. Basically, technical skill, you're good. So now you need to improve on the non-technical part. So that would be very good. And then Rizky also think the same. Work fast and then learn fast. And then Adri and Lukman also think the same way. Now, what needs to be improved is giving more fresh ideas to develop the infrastructure. Yeah, I agree with that. And then need more time to collaboration, and then also communication, how you answer a question and express your opinion. Yeah, that's right. I think communication also needs to be improved for S2. Let's continue to Adri.
Um, okay, so in summary, my improvement is very active in follow up and also in asking questions and willing from Rizky also willing to speak his mind or what he thinks is best. I think uh, first I thank you for the comment. So for me, uh, regarding the asking questions or something like that is because I'm more of confused than actively want to know something. So rather than I don't know what to do, I have to ask, basically something like that. And what needs to be improved from Chris, explore more to involve on other campaign besides your project. I think I can, but perhaps for other projects that needs skills outside my expertise, I need some time because I need to learn that first. And then from Kabayu, I'm been doing fast iteration, then waiting for. Oh, okay, got it. So okay, I understand that. And then from Risky, need more time from collab projects to comment on this. Okay, I don't really understand about that. So okay then.
Okay, do you have any question to others about the feedback?
Maybe from Risky, I think, but he's not here. Okay. And from Kabayu, I think I understand what you mean is because I'm the type that trying to do trying to do it perfectly first before actually doing anything. So yeah, I need to change that behavior.
Yep. And okay, yeah. So that's from Andrea. Let me see. Okay. To Lukman then.
Okay, from me, first thing first, actually, Kak, I love this session. I love this session. Like we can get to know each other from how the feedback is given to each other as well. For the for my feedback, for me, I would like to um, one by one ya. Mungkin from Kak Vidi, yes Kak. But yeah, if we do the pairing with you, actually we talk more about the technical things, right? About the Python, about the script. But whoever execute the script kan uh, between me or Adri, and we decide Adri to the execution. And also to be honest, my Python skill actually is not that good, but enough lah for analysis process. But yeah, I think it's a good feedback for me, Sika, to be more active in a pairing session with anyone. And for Chris, yeah, thank you, Chris. I always try to ask and make sure what you mean, what Kak Vidi mean, what Kak Bayu mean. Yeah, the same as what I receive or not kan. Soalnya kalau misalkan Kak Bayu minta bikin 2 garis, Kak Bayu maksudnya lurus, tapi aku bikinnya garis yang horizontal kan beda. Jadi aku pengen make sure aja gitu untuk hal-hal yang spesifik seperti itu. Terus ya untuk what needs to be improved from Chris, actually that's a great suggestion for me. Well, when I do an internship at any company, I always want to know how the company runs and how they get their revenue and so on and so forth. And yeah, the last one maybe from Kak Bayu. Yeah, yeah Kak, thank you for the feedback. Yeah, I think you understand me as well, see, because yeah, I feel maybe I can wait to do the analysis process because I feel maybe I feel more enjoy like doing the analysis, starting from background, hypothesis, and finding unique things in the analysis process as well. Iya, iya, mungkin gitu sih kalau dari aku. Yeah, from Rizky, thank you Rizky for the feedback. We need to more time to collapse, right? I think that's all that from me.
Okay, okay. Thank you, Lukman. So that's it then. Yeah. I think that's pretty good feedback session. I from what I observed, the general issue here is probably like we need to have more collaboration. Yeah, I think because I think that's the problem in PD for the longest time. It's very difficult to collaborate if we don't have common interests. Yeah, if we are working on different project, then what should we collaborate about? We don't have any place to talk about things outside the project. So probably we can I don't know, mungkin dari intern ini you can actually create like a fun project, right? Side project that's not really a project that's apa namanya that's related to the company. It could be like a I don't know, like a barbecue project mungkin gitu ya, kayak if we meet offline gitu, misalnya kan ada kadang-kadang kita mau nongkrong bareng atau mau ngapain atau bikin sesuatu gitu. So maybe we can find out some ideas about doing something online. I don't know, nggak harus kayak game atau apa, nggak, no. I think what I mean is something more meaningful. Misalnya gini, actually I have a good example from apa namanya, this is from Airbnb actually. Mungkin aku akan switch ininya ya. Okay, so I think I will share this tab instead. So di Airbnb di komunitas engineeringnya mereka itu punya side project yang eventually implemented on production actually. Salah satunya kayak ini, Loti. Loti adalah animasi gitu. Jadi resultnya kayak gini. Kalau kita ngelihat di awal-awal websitenya Airbnb atau di app-nya, mereka punya icon yang di-animate kayak gini. Dan tadinya ini hal yang susah gitu, karena kalau di web atau di app kita harus pakai GIF kan buat animation. Nah, so Airbnb invent something that's more apa namanya, more advanced gitu. Jadi dia pakai After Effects animation, terus di render untuk natively di web gitu. So this is started as apa namanya, as a side project gitu. Gimana caranya kita nggak pakai GIF lagi, tapi animasinya lebih apa namanya, lebih advance gitu. So this kind of yeah, this kind of project maybe we can find out not so much complicated as this, but I'm thinking about ya mungkin something that I want to do for a very long time. Apa namanya? We can create like a blog about what we are doing in Bukit Vista, right? So banyak orang yang bertanya-tanya kan kalau internship di Bukit Vista itu ngapain aja gitu. Mostly what we tell the outside world is like general thing gitu kan. Ada banyak aktivitas, banyak kolaborasi, bla 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 bla, but they don't know what exactly we are doing. So this is why I ask Adri and Lukman and other intern actually from other chapter as well to create a showcase project. Right? Showcase project itu apa namanya, uh, sebuah project yang kamu banggain gitu. It's very unique to you gitu kan. Like for example the way you clean up the code, right? Why you can create like a one page article that explain why you need to clean up the database, why the structure is not good and why the new structure is better, right? Ada alasannya kenapa dan how you actually do that and what kind of script that you use. Kamu juga bisa share scriptnya itu misalnya kalau kamu taruh di GitHub, and then you can let other people use that script as well. So I think itu bisa apa namanya, bagus untuk apa namanya ya, sebenarnya mengembangkan skillmu sendiri sih. So the best way to learn is actually to teach, right? So if you can teach that to other people, then you will become better actually on the knowledge. Mungkin sesuatu kayak gitu ya, sesuatu kayak tech project. Like mungkin Nadia punya apa namanya project yang lagi dikerjain. Terus solusi kita itu unik gitu, atau kita cuma pengen share aja gimana cara kita mendevelop sesuatu gitu, gimana cara kita mendevelop mobile app misalnya, pakai platform apa dan approach-nya kayak gimana gitu misalnya. I think that could be something that we can collaborate on. Karena misalnya mobile app, yang jelas nanti ada kolaborasinya antara Chris mungkin sama siapa namanya, sama Estu mungkin atau sama Robert gitu. Terus mungkin ada data analis, ada kolaborasinya sama BI juga. So it could be a fun collaboration project. What do you guys think about that?
I'm actually interested on that one, Kak. Like, kalau misalnya we can explain why we do projects, certain kind of projects. It's just like our PRD extracted to an interesting way and make it a blog, right?
Yep.
Nah, it's actually, I think that way for me, yeah, it's going to be more interesting because a lot more people will read it instead of only our users, and kinda lebih semangat aja kalau misalnya kayak gitu. Like that's my personal opinion sih.
Okay, interested. Chris, do you want to apa namanya, pilot this?
Sure, Kak. I will try to do that maybe. Yeah.
Yeah. I think you found interesting project like setting up notification on iOS. I think that's a problem that other developer also face, right? So you can just put that outside in the internet, so they can also learn from your experience.
Yep. I think I'm going to try that one as well. Yep. Let me start the initiative and I will tell you guys the update ya kalau kayak gitu.
Okay.
I'll try that.
Okay, this is something like a new section for Nadia, yeah, on the WordPress, right? You can just create apa sih namanya ya?
New blog post nggak ya kayak gitu?
Yeah, something like blog post. Let's start simple,
Yeah.
and then we can use this as a fun project. Mungkin juga untuk apa namanya? Yeah, Adri and Lukman also can start on writing down your documentation, and yeah, try to write it as like as interesting as possible gitu. Jadi goalnya bukan cuma buat report, tapi buat dibaca orang lain biar mereka paham apa sih sebenarnya yang kalian lakukan.
Just like Medium, right, Kak?
Ya, apa?
Medium.
Yeah, just like the articles in Medium actually. There's a lot of articles like that. Okay, let's do that then. I think this could be a collaboration starter probably. Okay, I guess that's it, yeah, for the peer-to-peer feedback for now. We also generate some ideas. Is there anything else that anyone wants to add on this session?
Probably Mika.
Okay,
I
Chris?
actually cannot add my own feedback to my own self on the Coda. Can you take a look at that a bit? There's no column or row for me.
Oh, really?
Iya nih. Tadi aku coba gak bisa jadi kayak
Wait, okay.
Ada nama Chrisnya, cuman the rest of the columns cannot be filled gitu. There's no field as well.
Okay, what about now?
Nope, still cannot.
Oh, me
I
too
think
actually.
Chris row is missing the text field sih, Kak.
Iya. Kayaknya
And
masih
also
text.
the apa sih namanya tuh yang kayak gini-gini tuh thumbs up.
Thumbs up-nya.
Right. I think. Yeah. Okay.
Aku masih gaptek nih Coda tadi nggak bisa add sendiri. Hehehe.
Let me see. I think it's because it's empty. Nah, sekarang bisa tuh. Kamu bisa klik new row kan?
Yap Kak, udah bisa nih. Thank you Kak Bayu. Lol.
Okay. Other than that, is there anything else? No ya.
Raf,
Oh, good ya.
Hah? Apa?
Good ya. Okay. If that's it, then thank you everyone. Have a good day ya.